So actually, I have made a new plan how to tackle basically the climate change. So over here, I have made a plan of utilizing the oxygen producing ability of the plants by making the genetically modified plants who can increase the oxygen produced by consuming more oxygen. As we know that plants utilize very low amount of sunlight which they get almost 0.1%, some of the plants. So we can increase its this efficiency to almost 10% or even 20% of its current power, and thereby also increasing the photosynthesis process tremendously in the plants by increasing the level of pigments or efficiency of pigments, or even make those extra pigments which can absorb light in different or more which can absorb wavelengths in more different wavelengths where plants were earlier were not able to do so, and place them in strategic points such as in thermal power plants. This is this is a thermal power plant from where carbon dioxide is being released. This is a chamber, here it is a glass chamber. A very large amount of plants are produced. This can be either crops or agriculturally important products such as wood or glue or whatever, where the agricultural products are being produced, and plants could utilize being genetically modified. They could be able to utilize more amount of carbon dioxide, thereby completely processing carbon dioxide and release the oxygen which is being produced. Now these agricultural products, because these plants efficiencies increase tremendously because of genetically modifying plants, so their production will increase drastically, as what we have been hearing from other revolutions such as advanced varieties of seeds. So because they are able to trap more sunlight and utilize more carbon dioxide, so obviously their agricultural products will increase tremendously, maybe 100 times or even more than that, or 200 times or whatever, by improving their efficiency. This will not only increase our agricultural production capability, but also will help us in tackling the climate change, which is creating a massive hawk among the current globally. So by this way, if I think this is by this way the scientists can tackle the climate